Have you ever opened an English video, listened for 5 minutes, and understand almost nothing? Maybe you heard a few words, hello, thank you, tomorrow, but everything else sounded too fast, too confusing, too difficult. Then you probably thought, maybe my English is just not good enough. I used to think the same. Every English video felt impossible to understand. But then I realized something important. The problem wasn't my ears. The problem was how I was practicing listening. Today I will share the exact method that helped me start understanding English little by little. And if you stay until the end, I will also give you a simple 20-minute English listening routine that anyone can follow. Let's begin. Hello everyone, welcome back to Saroj English Journey. If you are new here, my name is Saroj. I am not an English teacher. I am someone who is also learning English step by step. And I share everything that helps me become a better English speaker. If you are on the same journey, let's learn together. Many beginners believe if I keep listening, one day I will automatically understand. Listening is important, but listening without a strategy is like watching a movie in a language you have never learned. Imagine playing a football match without learning the rules. Would you improve? Probably not. The same thing happens with English listening. Most people choose content that is far above their current level. Then they become frustrated and finally they stop practicing. The goal isn't to understand everything. Goal is to understand a little more than yesterday. Many learners start with Hollywood movies, fast interviews, or advanced podcasts. They hear native speakers talking naturally. Within seconds, they feel lost. Instead, start with English that is made for beginners. If you understand about 70 to 80%, you are learning. If you understand only 5%, you are not learning much. Choose content that challenges you, but doesn't overwhelm you. Here is another mistake I made. Whenever I heard an unknown word, I immediately stopped. I opened a dictionary, then I replayed that sentence again and again, and soon I forgot the whole conversation. Native speakers don't understand every single word either. They understand the message. For example, imagine someone says, I will pick you up around 7 unless traffic is terrible. Maybe you don't know the phrase pick you up, but if you understand they are talking about meeting at 7, you understand the main idea. Focus on the meaning first. Details can come later. This method changed the way I practice. Step 1. Listen once. Don't pause. Don't translate. Just listen. Even if you understand very little. Step 2. Listen again. This time, try to catch the familiar words. Don't worry about the unknown ones. Step 3. Turn on subtitles. Now connect the sounds with the words. You will notice, oh, that's what they are saying. Step 4. Listen again without subtitles. You will understand much more than before. Step 5. Repeat 1 or 2 sentences aloud. This is called shadowing. You are training your ears, your mouth, and your confidence at the same time. Many learners think I should listen to something new every day. Actually, repeating the same audio is much more powerful. Imagine learning to a 2-minute conversation 5 times. Every time you notice something new, a new word, a new pronunciation, a new expression, that's real progress. Don't chase a new video every day. Master the ones you are already using. Listening shouldn't feel like punishment. If you love cricket, listen to simple cricket videos. If you enjoy travel, watch travel vlogs. If you like technology, Watch beginner-friendly tech videos. When you are interested, your brain pays more attention and learning becomes easier. Here is the routine I recommend. 5 minutes, listen without subtitles. 5 minutes, listen with subtitles. 5 minutes, repeat the sentences aloud. 5 minutes, again listen without subtitle. Just 20 minutes a day. Not 2 hours, not 5 hours. 20 focused minutes. If you do this consistently for the next 3 months, you will be surprised by how much more English you understand. Let's quickly review. Don't choose content that's too difficult. Don't try to understand every word. Listen several times. Use subtitles wisely. Practice every day. Remember, listening isn't a talent, it's a skill, and a skill improves with consistent practice. One day you will listen to an English conversation and suddenly realize, I understood that. That moment won't happen because you are lucky. It will happen because you didn't give up. Now I would love to hear from you. What do you find most difficult about English listening? Write your answer in the comment. I will read your comment and help you improve. If this video helped you, please like this video, subscribe to Saroj English Journey, and share this video with someone who is also learning English. In our next episode, we will talk about how to think in English without translating every word. This is another skill that will completely change the way you speak English. Until then, keep listening, keep learning, and remember, you don't need to understand everything today. You just need to understand little more than yesterday. Thank you.